Welcome everyone to the second lecture of Business English about means of payment. Every day people exchange goods and services for money, with money being the major medium of exchange. Payment systems were developed out of a need to facilitate growth of commerce and economic development. In this video, we're going to talk about different types of payment systems. To begin, let's define payment system. They are systems that facilitate businesses and consumers to transfer funds to one another. While cash is an important payment instrument that people use in their daily lives to purchase goods and services, other payment instruments are also available and widely used. Payment methods are divided into two types. The first type is traditional payment methods, and the second type is electronic payment methods. For traditional payment methods, we will talk about cash, checks, debit, and credit card. Cash is the preferred method for small payments because it involves no credit and therefore no promises. With cash, you can usually purchase goods and services easily as it is widely accepted. Carrying too much cash is risky as it can lead to theft and other problems. A check is an order to transfer funds from the payer's bank to the account of the payee. Despite the development of other payment instruments, checks remain an important form of payment. Debit card is a payment card where the transaction amount is deducted directly from the cardholder's bank account upon authorization. Credit card enables its holder to buy goods and services with a credit line given by credit card issuer. Funds are sold at a later date. Credit cards are issued through commercial banks and other issuers. For electronic payment methods, we will talk about bank card, electronic check, and electronic money. Bank cards are small personal cards. It can be issued by a loan organization or financial institution or an authorized service, which may place and issue the card, such as banks, the public treasury, and the postal service. Electronic check is the electronic equivalent of the traditional paper checks that we used to deal with, and the electronic check is a documented and insured letter sent by the source of the check to the recipient of the check holder to be approved and submitted to the bank, which operates through the internet to transfer the value of the financial check to the account holder check. The check will then be returned electronically to the check recipient holder to be proof that the check has been disbursed. Electronic money is defined as a set of digital protocols and signatures that allow an electronic message to effectively replace traditional currency exchange. It's an encoded string of digits, can be carried on a smart card or stored on a computer disk. That's all we have to present in this video. Thanks so much for watching.